Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. You know that adage, set it and forget it? I think that should apply to every appliance in the house. This egg cooker from Evoloop is just one item that is such a time saver and it cooks eggs perfectly. This really compact and useful appliance will allow you to make 6 boiled eggs, or you have the option of using the included trays to make omelets or poached eggs. They also included a cup, which you use the piercing at the bottom to make a small tiny hole in the top of the eggs for your boiled eggs. This is such a time saver because in the morning I can go ahead and put my 6 eggs in, use my little cup to pierce that little hole, and then you add the right amount of water you need based on the measurements that are included right on the cup. So there's really no guesswork. In our home, we do not like soft-boiled eggs. So we've noticed that the more water you add, the more hard-boiled your eggs get, and they come out perfect. The company also included a booklet with some handy recipes should you need something really quick. But really, this is such an intuitive and easy to use egg maker. It definitely is such a time saver for a busy family so that you can have fresh cooked eggs every day and you don't have to worry at all when you're making them. They come out perfectly every time. I'm super impressed and happy with this machine, and that's just my point of view.